Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel! Today, we're diving deep into the stunning waters of Polynesia to explore the incredible story of Moana, the Ocean Princess. Get ready for an epic adventure! Our tale begins on the vibrant island of Motunui, a true paradise of green mountains and crystal-clear waters. Here lived Moana Waialiki, the chief's daughter, destined to lead her people. But Moana was special. From a young age, the ocean called to her, almost whispering her name, connecting with her in a way no one else understood. Her wise grandma Tala shared ancient legends about Te Fiti, the goddess of life, and the demigod Maui, who stole her heart, unleashing darkness across the world. Now, centuries later, that darkness had reached Motunui. Fish disappeared, coconuts spoiled, and fear gripped the islanders. Grandma Tala revealed the truth. Only by returning Te Fiti's heart could their home be saved. And the ocean itself, recognizing Moana's pure spirit, chose her for this monumental quest. Despite her father's warnings, Moana listened to her heart. With unwavering courage, she set sail alone, a true wayfinder in the making. Her journey led her to Maui, the legendary demigod with a magical fishhook. But Maui was proud and initially unwilling to help. He was more concerned with getting his lost fishhook back from the fiery monster Te. But Moana refused to give up. "We can do this together," she declared, her determination inspiring even the mighty Maui. Through terrifying storms, monstrous creatures, and glowing seas, they faced every challenge head-on, learning to trust each other. Maui even taught Moana how to truly sail, to feel the wind and waves, to let the ocean guide her. Finally, they reached Te Fiti's island, only to confront the raging Te. Maui's fishhook was damaged in battle, and he almost gave up. But Moana, seeing deeper, realized something profound. Te wasn't just a monster. She was Te Fiti, transformed by anger and pain. Holding up the glowing heart, Moana bravely walked towards the furious being, uttering those powerful words. "This is not who you are." The sea parted, and Te calmed. Moana gently placed the heart back, and in a magnificent burst of light, Te Fiti was restored. Flowers bloomed, islands healed, and peace returned. Moana and Maui had saved the world. She returned to Motunui, not just as a princess, but as a true leader, a wayfinder who led with love and connection. From that day on, her people embraced their voyaging heritage once more, guided by the stars and the incredible heart of their brave princess. The moral of this amazing story: true leadership comes from courage, love, and listening to your inner voice. Even one person with faith and kindness can heal the world. What's your favorite Moana moment? Let us know in the comments below. If you loved this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more amazing stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.